Welcome to the channel. On this episode, we're going to explore Tivoli Village. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. It was built at the cost of $700 million. It was the first large-scale retail project to open since Town Square in 2007. It's located at 410 South Rampart Boulevard next to the beautiful Summerlin community, 28.43 acres. Right here is Hub Modern. It's a modern furniture oasis created by Paul and Barry. Their goal is to enhance a client's lifestyle. Hole 19 right there, a little pop-up bar. And then you head forward and you're going to go into Dance With Me, a dance studio founded by celebrities and champion dancers. Learn to dance at any level. Coming up right here is Art to Art. Their motto is, "We look expensive, that speaks for itself." Next up is the Brio Tuscan Italian Grill, serving Tuscan style inspired Italian food, wine and cocktails. Awesome place right there. Now we're gonna head through this area right here. Up to the right you will see a retail shop. This place is absolutely stunning. Beautiful place. I do definitely recommend if you're in the Summerlin area, or even if you're not in the Summerlin area. It's right across the street from Suncoast Casino. Rampart Casino is right over in that same area. I absolutely love this place, and you guys are gonna see why. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you like these kind of videos, so you don't miss any of these exploring Las Vegas videos. We got plenty more coming, but let's keep going on the mission. You see they're giving away a car right there. Another cool little twist. Right here, I wasn't sure what this place was. We're gonna circle back around, but I wasn't sure what this place was at first. I was like, what is this place? It's called Echo Rig Butcher and Steakhouse. It was created by an acclaimed chef, Sam Marvin. That must be a must-play in Summerlin area. I've heard a lot of good things about it. You're definitely gonna have to check that out when you're in the area. And as you can see to the right here, there's a lot of seating. Hole 19 they're talking about right there. That's a little pop-up bar next to the golf course. And then right to the left was a photo studio, MEB photography studio. And then right here is the Hamptons, a restaurant with patio seating with a global inspired menu. Unfortunately, it's closed due to COVID right now. If you look right here on the right, there's a lot of retail and restaurant leasing opportunities here. I actually looked at that for my t-shirt business, so look for that in the future. It could be a possibility. Next up right here is El Dorado Cantina, only Mexican authentic restaurant serving organic ingredients, huge destination for celebrities. It's won Best Mexican in Las Vegas multiple times. I'm definitely gonna have to try that. Next up, you see the Hop Nuts Brewing sign, a craft brewery, and there's another one in the Arts District in downtown Las Vegas. But look at all this outdoor seating right here. Next up is Style Society, a beauty salon with multiple locations in Las Vegas, so definitely check that out. And all you cigar lovers, coming right here, guys. La Casa Cigar and Lounge. You can sit out on the patio, enjoy your cigar, cocktails, and if you look to the right, there's live music. But there's the Hops and Nuts sign right there. Definitely have to check these places out. Look how beautiful it is right there. You got a beautiful lady right there just lounging around, enjoying the sun. Sea Bream is on the left hand side, a seafood restaurant. Unfortunately, it closed right here. Up to the left is a Mom Experience Center. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I know it was closed. And then we got Audio Visual Solutions, a one-stop audio and visual store with stereos, TVs, and much more. As you can tell right here, there's a bunch of cool outdoor seating. I absolutely love this place. And then you got Leon Cafe, casual dining with also outdoor seating. You can see it right there. And then we're going to circle right around here. You see the old school cobblestone roads. It's beautiful over here. Okay, there's the Leon Cafe sign, as we just mentioned before. And then right here is a place called De Nata. It's a home goods store. I wasn't sure what it was. I had to do a little research with a bunch of home good furniture and everything like that. And right here, Mario Basner, world award-winning photographer and artist. Go check him out. He's got a little studio in there. Stunning. Next up is Cupcakes by Kate. Just an amazing bakery with a bunch of good sweets. And then these deers really intrigued me. They were all painted. That's from the Art to Art district. Check it out, guys. Beautiful right there. Okay, we're gonna head back this way, follow these two gentlemen. And then up here, I was a little confused what this was. I did a little bit of research, but it is the Ba Team German Kitchen Tailors. They sell kitchen cabinets, oven and stove equipment, and much, much more for your restaurant needs. So basically a one-stop shop inside here. And then we're going to keep going forward right here. And then we're going to take a right about here. And head back the same way we started. And this right here was one of my favorite places. You saw in the intro, the little art wall. I made a little intro with the little art wall. And if you keep going forward and to the right, there's a little barbecue restaurant. I didn't get to see that, but right here you can sit out on the patio furniture, enjoy the sun. You see the chairs and stuff right there. There's a gentleman right there on his laptop. But yeah, this was one of my favorite spots of all of Tivoli Village. It was so peaceful, so quiet. Like I said, more seating over here, the palm trees. Even if you don't come and shop or anything right here, just grab your laptop, grab a book, come out here and sit and enjoy the sun when you're in Summerlin, Nevada. But I heard up to the left there's apartments for rent up there. I'm not completely sure. I haven't really researched that point, but I think there is apartments for rent. I'm sure they're pretty pricey, but it's very beautiful over here. There was a lot of retail opportunities, and they had office spaces, and they weren't that expensive. So I'm going to actually research this for my t-shirt business, and hopefully within the next 6 months to a year we can have a little store inside here. As you guys know, lifecrusherapparel.com will be launching very soon, so I definitely want to get the ball rolling on that t-shirt company and that clothing line, and hopefully everybody purchases a t-shirt, a hat, a hoodie, or something cool for my online shop. There's a restroom right here to the left. And then up here, right here, is the shade store. I was thinking sunglasses, but no, it's actually shades for your apartment, for your windows, drapes, and whatnot. But I heard it's a really good shade store. So the shade store, definitely check out the shade store. They had a bunch of cool art on the left-hand side over here. And as we move along, you see the cool artwork, very animated. But right here to the left is a place called Art of Culinary. It's a pop-up restaurant, combines the power of 3D mapping to 4D visualize to capture diners' different perspectives of the restaurant. I never even heard of it. It's definitely a place I'm gonna have to go check out, and hopefully everybody does. But like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I do live in Las Vegas right now. I'm going to do a lot of cool tours. If you guys like this, hit that thumbs up. Definitely appreciate it. And if you want me to do a different place, make sure you leave it in the comment section down below. And we are going to head back to where we started. There, David Tupaz little gallery. That was obviously closed. And then there's more Mario Basner's. And then we're back where we started, guys. Like I said, I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching my videos. There'll be plenty more coming in the future. So definitely be subscribed. Hit that little bell for notifications so you're notified. And we will see you on the next one. Later, y'all.